You'll flip, but your $1,000 iPhone is built from shit dug up by child slaves in Congo mines who work 12 hours a day, no protection, making less than a fucking dollar a shift. Every smartphone, tablet, and laptop has cobalt inside it. A metal lithium batteries just can't fucking run without, and 70% of the world's supply comes from the Democratic Republic of Congo. Now get this shit. The UN and human rights groups report 40,000 kids slave away in Congo's cobalt mines. Some just 6 or 7 years old, literally crawling through narrow tunnels underground. These poor fuckers dig with their bare hands, or basic tools in janky, unventilated mines where cave-ins happen all the damn time. Dozens of kids die every single year, buried alive by the rock. Cobalt dust eats away at their lungs and skin, causing severe heart and lung diseases, crippling their young bodies. But these kids got no choice. Their families are so damn broke, they'd literally starve to death without those few cents. So while you're swiping through Instagram, these kids are breathing toxic dust in underground hellholes, making less than your fucking coffee costs in a day, just so Apple, Samsung, and Tesla can sell their shit with thousands of % profit margins. Seriously fucked up, y'all, but the Democratic Republic of Congo is a goddamn zombie state where the government's only real in name only, while criminal crews and warlords actually run the show. Where they dig up cobalt, there's been a non-stop civil war for over 25 years. Folks are constantly getting murdered, raped, and robbed, and kids, they ain't got no protection from the law, none at all. Armed gangs run the mines, forcing whole villages to slave away in the pits for practically nothing. If anyone bucks the system, they shoot entire families or torch their goddamn homes. That shit is pure hell. Locals are just trying to scrape by mining cobalt because there ain't no other damn jobs. An adult miner's average pay is $1 or $2 a day, and kids get paid even less, or sometimes nothing at all. Parents literally send their own damn kids into these mines because their families need cash for food. It ain't, because they're evil parents. It's just choosing between starving to death now or possibly dying in the mine later, you know? The Congo government officially banned child labor, but nobody gives a flying fuck. They got no cops, no inspectors, and the corruption's so bad, any official will turn a blind eye to anything for $100. Even goddamn child slavery.
As you can see,
holy shit, it's just wild how Apple, Samsung, Tesla, Microsoft, and all these other tech giants know damn well where their cobalt comes from, but they just act like it's none of their fucking business and keep on buying. In 2019, Congolese families hit Apple, Google, Dell, Microsoft, and Tesla with a lawsuit, claiming they were complicit in the deaths and injuries of kids in cobalt mines. These corporate assholes are still in court, just talking a load of crap to get out of it. These companies claim they only buy cobalt from certified suppliers and do independent audits. But journalists keep proving that's total fucking bullshit, with cobalt from child labor mines still hitting their supply chain. Shady Chinese middlemen just scoop up cobalt from any digger, no questions asked, then mix it all up. They sell that shit on the international market, and these tech giants know it perfectly well, but they turn a blind eye, cause it's fucking cheaper that way. Apple claims it'll be fully using recycled cobalt by 2025, but that's just a fucking PR stunt. The world produces way less recycled cobalt than needed, so it's just pretty words to make buyers feel better about their purchases. Tesla bought rights to develop a US cobalt mine in 2020 to ensure ethical supplies. But even if that's legit, development will take fucking years, and meanwhile Musk keeps buying Congolese cobalt. It's absolutely fucking mind-blowing how all our awesome progress with EVs and green energy is built on the backs of African kids, and nobody gives a shit, because it's far away and out of sight. One smartphone holds about 5 to 10 grams of cobalt, an EV around 10 kilograms. Demand for this shit is skyrocketing by 20% every year because everyone wants green energy and bigger fucking batteries. By 2030, cobalt demand is projected to jump 5-fold, and if nothing changes, even more kids will die in those Congolese mines. Nobody gives a damn about safety when they can just exploit poverty. Human rights groups say there's a fix, though: strict global oversight on supply chains, forcing corporations to pay proper money for ethical mining. But big business hates that shit and lobbies hard against those laws. Europe is already passing laws making companies disclose raw material sources and prove no slave labor is used. But the US is dragging its feet because it'll hit American corporate profits hard. While politicians squabble and corporations make excuses, in Congo, kids descend into toxic fucking holes every day so you can scroll TikTok and post your stories. And that's just some fucked up shit we're all collectively ignoring. Look, the fucked up reality is you can't just ditch your smartphone, but you can damn well start squeezing these manufacturers. Hit them up on social media, demand some transparency, and boycott the companies straight up ignoring this shit. Shop smart for your gadgets. Pick brands actually investing in recycling and ethical cobalt sources. The ones doing independent supplier audits, not just some PR bullshit. Make your tech last longer. The longer you rock one phone, the less demand there is for fresh cobalt. Fix your shit instead of swapping it out every damn year for a new model with the same damn features. Back the organizations fighting child labor in Congo. They're actually helping kids escape the mines, giving them an education, and protecting their damn rights. They need our cash and our attention. And most importantly, fucking talk about this. Spread the word. Don't let these corporations bury the topic. Because the only thing that'll make them change is massive consumer pressure and a public scandal fucking with their reputation. We can't just flip the whole system overnight. But every conscious choice and every voice against exploitation is a step towards kids in Congo not dying for our goddamn gadgets. And trust me, there's a ton of other shocking shit on the channel. Check it out. You'll be blown away again.